I need food. I need food. I need food. I have money. I have money. I have money. I bring a bag. I bring a bag. I bring a bag. I check my list. I check my list. I check my list. I take my keys. I take my keys. I take my keys. I open the door. I open the door. I open the door. I use the bus. I use the bus. I use the bus. I go to the store. I go to the store. I go to the store. I enter the store. I enter the store. I enter the store. I take a basket. I take a basket. I take a basket. I find the aisle. I find the aisle. I find the aisle. I buy apples. I buy apples. I buy apples. I buy milk. I buy milk. I buy milk. I buy bread. I buy bread. I buy bread. This is cheap. This is cheap. This is cheap. I need frozen food. I need frozen food. I need frozen food. I choose tomatoes. I choose tomatoes. I choose tomatoes. I buy lettuce. I buy lettuce. I buy lettuce. I check the eggs. I check the eggs. I check the eggs. I take eggs. I take eggs. I take eggs. I buy rice. I buy rice. I buy rice. I read the label. I read the label. I read the label. I buy beans. I buy beans. I buy beans. I use the scale. I use the scale. I use the scale. I buy chicken. I buy chicken. I buy chicken. I wear gloves. I wear gloves. I wear gloves. I take a ticket. I take a ticket. I take a ticket. I want cheese. I want cheese. I want cheese. I buy chips. I buy chips. I buy chips. I buy chocolate. I buy chocolate. I buy chocolate. I buy water. I buy water. I buy water. I clean my hands. I clean my hands. I clean my hands. I put items here. I put items here. I put items here. I pay by card. I pay by card. I pay by card. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. I take the receipt. This is the total. This is the total. This is the total. I pack the food. I pack the food. I pack the food. I use a paper bag. I use a paper bag. I use a paper bag. I get change. I get change. I get change. I leave the store. I leave the store. I leave the store. I come home. I come home. I come home. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I put milk here. I put milk here. I put milk here. I wash apples. I wash apples. I wash apples. I store rice. I store rice. I store rice. I throw it away. I throw it away. I throw it away. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. The kitchen is clean. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check out other videos on Easy English Club. See you next time.